everyone, it's me Enjay, and welcome back to Enjay's Play Space. I decided to go early, so it's Monday. Happy Halloween. So I'll be opening this Hot Wheels Spin and Score Track launcher. Alright, we got this again. Oh, this is easy. You could call me Golden Knight Enjay. You can ignore the lightning with my mask. This is really, really easy. Part of this cardboard is not part of the toy. I've had this since September, but I've been waiting because I had to do so many more videos. Whoa! I can't forget about the car. So we got this little launcher thing. It's already fun already. We got instructions. Whoa, look at this. This might be the coolest because it's gonna go up to 90. What about 100? Let's get this out. Let's get this track. Mommy, help, help! On Halloween's, I do nice things. So here's the fabulous kind of car. You can see it, look at that. And since I'm nice in my, little Mickaboo from McDonald's, I invited 2 other cars that I will be playing with just today. So let's get building. All right. So let's see what we got in this instructions. Oh, no stickers. Oh, just one instruction. Oh, I think this will be really simple. So we're gonna connect it in. Yeah, there we go. And the last thing I have to do, I think, is connect this to, let me see. Okay. Oh. Can I get some help? So I just figured it out, Enjay crew, or Halloween crew for Halloween. I just figured it out. You have to set it here instead of the back. There we go. I think it's already done. So first let's do this, the regular car, the original. So we're gonna set it back. Let's see if it works. Whoa! Did you see that? You guys probably couldn't see it, so I had to wind it back. So we're gonna do this. Bam! Woo! Let's see what we got, Halloween crew. It's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. Come on, please stop. I wonder if it's that line that controls it. I got 25? Not so bad, but not 90. That's the first thing I got before you guys can see. All right, now we're gonna do this car that I unlocked like 7 days ago from my dad. We're gonna do it for Halloween. Set it back. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, that thing was really slow. I don't think that thing's gonna do it. But let's see. It might get a good grade. It got 90. That's really good. I wonder what this golden Hot Wheels means. Maybe this one could get it because that golden Hot Wheels right here seems rare. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiya! What did he get? Because that was pretty fast. Whoa. Whoa. Wobbly. It gets, what does it get? The golden prize? 50. So the winner is this Halloween car. And that was the end for this video so far. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button if you want to see more Hot Wheels. And I'll be making a bigger series. Bye! Happy Halloween!